I just want to show you some of the spoils I got today from Window Cleaning Resource. We're possibly going to be doing a little bit more storefront cleaning here in the future. It's just, for the stability's sake. Now that I'm hiring employees, I have a little bit of incentive to maybe pursue some of that. I don't like how it clouds up the schedule when we start getting busy and kind of steals from the residential work. So we're only going to do it if we can get top dollar. But with that said, this is what we got from Window Cleaning Resource today. There is a link below in the description if you're interested in buying any of this cool gear. We got some wide body channels along with the rubber for it. Now, this rubber is slightly different than your typical. It's like a T shape. Get you a nice close look there. And so, your typical rubber over here has more of a round shape. So this here is just the old school Eterate brass, ledge easy handle. This is the new Sorbo white handle. Window Cleaning Resource just purchased the Sorbo brand from this guy. Really interesting story. I've heard a little bit about him in the past. Mr. Sorbo, you could say. And I'm excited to read this and hear a little bit more in depth about his story. But great character, great man in general. Very innovative. He's come up with a lot of cool technology here. And so right now I have in here a channel that I've been waiting a long time to play with, and it is the Black Mamba. It looks cool. It sounds cool. It is cool. If you do storefronts, this is the one to have. But Sörbo makes longer channels as well, really geared towards the storefront and commercial side of things. This here is the Viper channel, known for that because of the edges here, or the corners. And so, similar shape to these Mormon liquidators, similar effect, but not necessarily detail free. It's more so that you can get into the corners when you're doing the commercial windows, because you know how they have the really thick ledges, usually about 2 inches. It can be a little bit difficult to get just a typical edge on that in the corner. And so it's made to make life a little easier when getting the corners of those. But, you can't beat these classic ones. It's also great to use the wide body channels. If you've got a newbie who has a little less control, it kind of covers up some of the user blemishes. So you can do straight pulls very well with these. Early on, it doesn't hurt to have one of these for just the bigger pieces of glass and as well for straight pulls. So that's what I would recommend it for. Along with that, we've got the holster. It fits 2 squeegees in very well, very nicely. It's kind of nice to have in addition to the bucket on the belt, especially if you're doing larger panes of glass. So if you're doing storefronts and you were to get into using the Sorbo line of gear, you buy some of the longer squeegee channels and they won't fit in your typical bucket on a belt. And so that's where this really comes in handy. You can have the bucket on a belt on one side and this on the other, or you can have this right behind or in front of it. A lot of ways you can set it up, but extremely helpful if you have a squeegee that's more than 18 inches, whether it's 22 would usually be the next size up. Then we got, I think we can get up to, I've seen a 72-inch one before, but it was more of a gimmick, I think. The longer they get, the more you're going to need that holster. And again, always have extra rubber. With that said, if you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, purchase your window cleaning supplies from windowcleaner.com. Highly recommend buying everything from them. If you spend enough money, you actually get a free gift. So don't miss out on the free gifts. And who doesn't like free? So shop at windowcleaner.com.